Michael, what are you doing? He can't get up, babe.
Stand up. Those gloves are soaked all the way through.
I figured. Daddy putting you to work, Michael. Hey, Michael. Michael, look at Mommy. Hi, baby. You clearing the driveway? You want to ride the sleigh? You and Daddy?
Let's go, big boy. You go up the hill or?
Nah, I just come down this driveway.
Michael, you gonna ride this sled? Here. Put this up right now. Here, sit down.
Whee!
Say wee.
He can't see, baby. His eyes are covered. Oh no! Do not!
Hold on a minute.
What did you think of that, Michael? I said, I think that's silly. He said, I give up.
Let's go back up.
They're like, whoo! Fell off the side of the...
What do you think?
Do it again? I'm gonna go with him this time.
Okay.
Here's the camera. Are your hands freezing?
No. Okay, you gotta sit down and I'll push you off. Is it recording?
Come on, baby. Come on. Go with me.
Pull your feet up, I'll push you.
Don't push this too hard.
I know. You ready?
Yeah. Here we go.
Can't even see Michael, you got his face completely covered.
Say hi, Daddy.
Make sure you saw him, man. What do you think, Michael?
There's too much clothes on this. There's too much clothes. Stuff, baby. Got your hand in there. Okay. There you go.
It's Wednesday, January 21st.
Watch him so he doesn't fall apart.
Oh gosh, slick. All right, let's go back up top.
Did you quit videoing it?
No, it's still videoing.
We can probably.
Okay. Michael, say bye. Say bye, Michael.